The F-clamps are versatile and essential tools in the world of woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. F-clamps, also known as bar clamps or sliding clamps, are a type of clamp used to hold objects firmly together. They consist of two main components, a fixed and a sliding jaw. The fixed jaw remains in a stationary position, while the sliding jaw can be adjusted to accommodate different workpiece sizes. Types of F-clamps. There are various types of F-clamps designed to meet specific needs. These include light-duty F-clamps, heavy-duty F-clamps, quick-release F-clamps, and deep-throat F-clamps. Each type is suitable for different applications, depending on the required clamping force and reach. Selecting the right F-clamp depends on your project's requirements. Consider factors like the clamping force, throat depth, and size of the workpiece. It's essential to match the clamp to your specific project to ensure a secure hold. Using F-clamps safely is of utmost importance. Always position the clamp over the center of gravity of the workpiece, apply even pressure, and ensure the jaws are parallel. This will prevent slippage and ensure a secure grip. Maintenance and care of F-clamps. To prolong the life of your F-clamps, keep them clean, lubricated, and store them properly. Regular maintenance ensures that they continue to function effectively. F-clamps are perfect for DIY enthusiasts. They can be used for assembling furniture, woodworking projects, and more. The versatility of F-clamps makes them an essential tool in any DIY toolkit. Woodworkers rely heavily on F-clamps for joining, gluing, and securing wood pieces during various stages of a project. The precision and strength of F-clamps make them indispensable. In the metalworking industry, F-clamps are used for welding, cutting, and assembling metal components. Their durability and holding capacity are essential for ensuring precise results. In conclusion, F-clamps are versatile, reliable tools that have a wide range of applications in woodworking, metalworking, and DIY projects. Whether you're a beginner or a professional, having a set of F-clamps in your workshop is a wise investment. I am Hassan Chamara Wirakon. If you get some knowledge, subscribe my channel and like my videos. You are bringing great success.